Hey everyone, it's Rowena from Smooth Stitches. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm just going to show you a couple of very quick ways to design a very basic rhinestone template for a cheer bow. Okay, so to start with, we start with our empty workplace. We're going to come over here to the right to our drawing tools, and I'm going to click on a rectangle. Okay. So I'm just going to draw our rectangle. I'm going to make it, actually I'm going to do it upright, sorry, 4.7 high by 15 tall. And there we have it, okay. I'm going to come over here to the right and I'm going to open up our rhinestone panel. And I'm going to click on our SS10s because they're our most popular stones that we use. And I'm going to click on linear fill. Okay. And there we go. That is a very, very close set one. So that would fill up your ribbon entirely. Okay, if you wanted to space them out a bit more, you'll see on your rhinestone panel you have this section here that says spacing. Okay, you can increase that however you like, and you'll watch the stones actually, you'll lose stones, so you'll use less stones and they'll actually space them out more. Okay, so you can go 35 and that sort of thing. Okay, now if you wanted to get really creative, okay, you can come over here and release the rhinestones. Okay, and that will bring up every single one. So you can move individual rhinestones. Okay, so I can grab this one here and I can show it over here. Okay, I can delete it. Okay, so what we do is we'll grab these three, I think. Okay, and then we'll grab that one and that one, and I'm just pressing the delete button, so clicking on it so it gets this little square around it. Okay, and I'm going to do the same over this side. And I'm going to bring this little fella back here. Okay, so that could be the end of our bow. Okay, and I'll just zoom in on that. Okay, does that make sense? And then what I'm going to do, if I wanted to make it a scatter, I can just bring these down and scatter them around. And yeah, look, it can be time consuming, yes, but the joys of templates is that once it's done, once it's cut, and all that sort of jazz, you know, you've got it set up. You don't change anything again unless you really want to change something, you know, but generally you don't. So, you know, you can just randomize it however you want. You know, and just space them out and, you know, just grab them and put them wherever. You know, I mean, that's the joy of it, really. So, you know, it's, you know, and now you've got a completely different look again. Okay, so once you're ready to do that, okay, you just group them all back together. So if you're happy with that, group them all together. Okay, so then you, wherever you move them, they go together. Okay, so if you're happy with that and you're ready to send it off, don't forget to put your cut box around it, because of course rhinestones need a cut box. I mean, all vinyl, sign vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, much easier to weed with a cut box around it. But rhinestones definitely needed around it because that's the outer edge of your template that you're cutting. and that is now ready to go off and be cut. So I hope that helps. I know a couple of you did ask for that. I'm going to show you in another video how to do a 2-color ombre, so a gradient template design, and I'll even show you then how we line them up after we've cut them, actually on the templates. So when we've got the stones in the templates, how we line them up and how we press them. So look forward to that one. But for now, I hope you all have a great Wednesday, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.